How to add CNAME record in cPanel using the DNS Zone Editor. A canonical name or CNAME record is a type of DNS record. It maps an alias name to a true or canonical domain name. For instance, a CNAME record can map the web address www.example.com to the actual website for the domain example.com. Log into your cPanel account. You will be on this page. Scroll down to the Domains section and click on the Zone Editor icon. Suppose we want to add a CNAME record for domain example.com, then click on CNAME Record button in front of the domain example.com. Now enter a name you wish to and click anywhere. On the window, outside the input box, cPanel will automatically add a domain. For example, enter 3x and click anywhere outside. Now enter CNAME. Now click on the Add a CNAME Record button. That's it, we have successfully added the CNAME record for the domain example.com. Now we know how to add CNAME record. Thank you for watching.